That is nothing but meat, cheese, and a bun. Chandler likes it simple. I like it. Last for the burgers, we've got the Chris style burger. I just ripped his name in half. I'm sorry. Bacon, crinkle cut French fries, 3 patties, and American cheese. All right, there we go. The Nashville hot looks a little spicy. Chicken, diced lettuce, mayo, pickles. Move over Popeyes. All right, and then the chicken sandwich looks basically the same. Actually, yeah, did they use the spicy ones for this? It kind of looks like they went spicy on both. If anything, this one's spicier, but it's all good, no problem. And last but definitely not least, we've got Carl's grilled cheese. Feels a little light. Carl, what do you got? I mean, it's just a grilled cheese, yeah. I mean, I get it. Dude, that is a flat grilled cheese. We've got the seasoned crinkle cut French fries right here. Can't wait to try these. The Beast style fries. Boom! That is a loaded French fry. By visual, we've got obviously pickles, mayo, ketchup, spicy brown mustard, American cheese. This is a serious portion. And then I ordered 3 cookies, but they gave me 6 cookies.
Maybe each cookie comes in a pack of 2.
But then I ordered 3. Oh! 2, 4, 6. 6 chocolate chip cookies. Beast style. Alright, so that's it. The food looks bomb. There's not much else to say. We're just gonna get situated here. I'm probably gonna need a little more drinks. So I'm gonna pour myself some water. And yeah, this is the Mr. Beast full menu challenge. Alright, this is it, guys. This is the entire Mr. Beast burger menu. 3 burgers, 3 sandwiches, 2 fries, 6 cookies, 2 drinks. So these 2 are mandatory. I have a few extra waters over here in case I need them. I probably will. Since this is a speed challenge, 10 minutes and 39 seconds is the time to beat if we want to send Morgan his very own Mr. Beast full menu. So we gotta haul ass from Morgan today to get some food to him. Alright, give me that countdown. We're starting on the Beast Burger.
Starting 2021, we're strong. You ready?
Yeah, first we did 2021 too, so we gotta start strong.
3, 2, 1, go.
Burger down.
It's 104.
Chandler down, Beast down, Chris French fry burger. We both them. Alright, water down. 3 burgers down. Alright, this is supposed to be the normal chicken sandwich. Spicy chicken sandwich. My nose, my nasal cavity just opening a little bit. Alright, the last 2 sandwiches. We've got Carl's grilled cheese. Something's kicking in my nose. I don't know what out my nose.
4.
Alright, all the burgers and sandwiches are done. Not sure if it was smart, but we saved the fries for last. Did you just get me a fork?
Yeah.
I don't need no fork. I'm going in poutine style. All came up in one go. Wow, there's a lot of pickles in this.
6.
Come here, I'll show you so far.
What?
Alright, beef fries down.
740.
Alright, last but not least, dessert. 7:45.
30. 50. 10 minutes.
Oh god. Alright, 10 minutes. Last bet.